we're going right here, aren't we?
Aye, we take a right here, Alec. We should have went up that wee bit.
Shit. What's that noise?
I can't hear anything.
I hear that as well.
Oh,
It's raining.
no, I can't. All I can hear is ringing from my ears. Aye, we should have taken that last wee junction bit.
I know.
After this red car, I think. Nicely done, John.
Aye, took a bit of it. I was focusing on that. Alec.
What about that noises?
I can't hear it. I can't hear anything. Maybe you can hear my maybe you are hearing my tinnitus. I can't hear anything.
Hear that noise, John?
No.
I can't hear anything.
What is it you hear?
It's like nothing you lose a radio station.
Aye.
It's your tinnitus.
Ears.
It's your ears, Alec. It's your tinnitus.
No, that's not my hearing.
Because I've got ringing in my ears. But I've got ringing in my ears all the time, eh?
I can hear wind noise.
No, my helmet's not too windy today, actually. Mind you, I've got my scarf over my head, over my ears.
Clean my glasses as well, can't see shit out.
Cracking.
I don't know what that is.
What?
Is it off your sat nav maybe?
No.
Oh, this is well used, this path.
Right, let's get a listen to your noise. That was typical for you, Alex.
You want a wee poem?
Yeah, tell John your little poem.
A rift is a drift which comes from the heart, and if it takes a shortcut, it's going to be a fart. Now, a fart is a good thing to give the belly ease, warms up the blankets and suffocates fleas. Let's go.
He likes that little riddle.
That was my old man that taught us that years ago.
My farts don't suffocate the fleas, it kills them.
Who's your fucking missus as well?
No. She's very tolerant.
She'd need to be, Sean.
I know.
Yeah, according to this, I've still got half a tank.
I'm back up to 3 bars, but as soon as I move or put it in gear, it'll drop.
Funny, there's been fuck all traffic. As soon as we start our engines, there's fucking cars everywhere.
Exactly. Always the same.
18.5 degrees, boys.
Happy days.
I've got 20 on mine.
Oh yeah,
Aye?
I'll take the 20.
I've got nothing on mine.
You got me waiting for a gap. Must be traffic lights or something, because there was day traffic and then all of a sudden there's loads of traffic. I'm going to guess that's Winchester.
good, eh?
It is, aye. Look at that fucking cunt moving out to stop you going by. See him?
Nah, they do that.
Absolute dickhead.
Mm-hmm. They do that.
Fuck this.
I'll wait till they go by and then
Aye.
I can jump on as well.
Yep, just wait for the gap. Might be a wee while, he's moving over.
Just get a minute.
That's it, John, just when you feel confident.
Thanks, mate.
And you get these knob jockeys that sit right out at the line.
That guy did it there, he just pulled out just to
Aye,
stop that guy
he's still
going by.
sitting there, I can still see him in my mirror, I can see both of his headlights. That's how far out he is. This is right down to the roundabout.
Is there not a set of traffic lights?
Or the fact there might be roadworks actually, eh?
Thanks, pal. He slowed down to let us in. That was
Aye, very nice of him. Give him a wee wave. Aye, filtering's all about clutch control, eh?
Yeah. I'm quite confident with that, to be fair.
Yeah.
Kind of slow controlling that. Pretty
Uh-huh.
confident with that. You better watch yourself, mate. That double yellows fucking nearly here for accident.
Aye, double solid, double lines.
Double solos, I mean, aye.
Aye. I think they've been on their holidays, eh?
Aye, he's got a seat on the back there, see?
Aye.
One of the folding seats.
Get his visor up and get a bit of air in.
Good idea. There we go.
These fucking miles long.
Mm-hmm.
So these guys are looking for a gap, he's away.
It's alright when they pull over, eh?
That's it, that's what that guy's doing there, that's nice.
Yeah. If Shitty Link fucking had any sense, he would fucking move over a bit.
We're getting a bit of gap shortly. There we go. Boys.
Right, and on the motorway. Why have they stopped? Alec, I would get round these guys.
Aye, just...
Oh, bus is coming.
Bus.
We're not far from the roundabout anyway.
Yeah, we're nearly there.
Thanks, pal.
Yeah, right.
No, we can just go right round the roundabout, Alec. That's my usual.
Do that.
That's my usual sneaky air.
Aye, these guys are just out cutting fun anyway.
Probably.
No, we're going straight on anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fuck's he going?
Fucking arsehole, eh? You're a fucking pro now, John. Hey, filter in.
I've seen this road is busy.
No, neither have I. Hey, John, filter in. Motorways. You've done it all the day.
I know, moving in.
He's moving in. Very nice of him. Thank you, sir.
That cult man has been a bit of a dick, wasn't he?
Aye.
I had one of them.
Yes, you did, aye.
Aye.
What a big poof. Is that when you were a hairdresser?
Hey, what? That thing can handle better than M3 and I had fucking both of them.
Whoa. Fucking hell. Some guys are nice, eh?
Aye.
Aye, and some are fucking tits. Thank you.
Tarbet Marina.
Nice place for a wedding.
Fuck that.
I wouldn't get married again.
I'm not.
The thing about being married is your life is no longer your own.
Very true. That's good, John. Wait till we get in between them.
What a beautiful night we've had. It's been an absolute fantastic day.
It has been. You enjoyed it, John?
Yeah, it's great fun.
Good.
Really enjoyed it.
Enjoying your car though?
Yes. I'll tell you what, it's definitely a lot clearer now. Aye.
Wait till you listen.
Not chatting to you more about it.
Aye, wait till you listen to your music, John.
I'll let me bash it that way.
Aye.